Let's examine the facsimile of the Paris Epistle of Othéa. Christine de Pizan, one of the most renowned authors of 15th century France, supervised the creation of the Paris manuscript of her Epistle of Othéa. The manuscript was produced just a few years after she composed the text. Christine collaborated closely with the manuscript's two scribes and the chief illuminator. She herself wrote some of the catchwords, cues that ensure that the pages will be bound in the correct order. The text offers advice for leading a virtuous life in 100 examples from ancient literature. Each is presented as a miniature followed by a 4-line poem, called text, an explanation, labeled gloss, and a Christian moralization, called an allegory. Some miniatures are packed with lively figures, but most feature just a few figures in a landscape setting. Each painting has a thin gold frame, from which extend tendrils with spiky golden leaves. Some details, such as vessels, crowns, collars, and belts, are also in gold leaf. The gods and goddesses of ancient myth are shown in or emerging from stylized clouds. Curiously, the wooden horse used by the Greeks to enter the city of Troy is rendered as a naturalistic horse topped by a castle. The ancient stories are presented as the utterances of Othéa, the goddess of prudence. They are addressed to the 15-year-old Prince Hector of ancient Troy. The miniature shows Othéa presenting her letter to the slim-waisted prince, wearing a beige robe and a golden belt with bells. In the opening miniature, Christine is pictured presenting her text to its dedicatee, Louis, the Duke of Orléans. The Duke, as impossibly thin as Hector, wears a robe very much like that of the young Trojan hero. The sumptuous manuscript was intended for Duke Louis, but he was assassinated before its completion. It quickly found its way into the library of the Duke of Berry, Jean de France, an avid collector of beautiful books. The facsimile was published by Müller und Schindler in Germany in 2024.